Hi, I'm Abby from Zucker Feather Products, here to talk to you about feather picks and stems. We're going to show you how to make your own, and anybody can do it, and all you need are a pair of scissors, some floral tape, floral wire, and of course, don't forget the feathers. So feather picks and stems can be used for multiple purposes. Feather stems look beautiful in a vase, and you can use them with silk flowers like we have here or fresh. They add such beautiful, magical element to any arrangement. And feather picks, what do you use a feather pick for? Well, again, there are many different uses. You can add them as an accent piece into a bouquet, creating a forever heirloom piece to remember your special occasion. And if properly cared for, feathers can last forever. So it's a great addition to any bouquet. You can add them onto wreaths. They're easy to stick on, and then you can add ribbon or decorate it however you wish. There are so many different uses for feather picks and stems, and we're going to show you how to make your own for the crafty DIY bride, so you can pick whatever feathers that you want to match your colors for your color scheme. And it's super simple, anyone can do it, and we're going to show you step by step here at Zucker Feather Products.
To begin, we'll start with this adorable peacock feather pick. Peacock is so iconic with its natural luminescence. It's a great choice for a bouquet piece. To make this pick, you will need 1 peacock eye and 2 peacock swords. You'll need to trim them to the length that you want. First, cut your floral wire in half. Take your peacock eye and begin wrapping 2 inches of the stem to the floral wire with the floral tape. The floral tape is sticky on one side and it's really easy to use. Next, add your peacock swords. Continue to wrap down the wire and do this by tightly twisting. Then, pull the tip of the sword down to meet the wire. Wrap 1 to 2 inches of the tip of the sword, creating an oval shape effect. Next, add the second peacock sword, wrapping the stem to the bundle. You can try different lengths here of the 2 swords or keep it symmetrical. Then wrap the tip of the second sword for the second oval shape. To finish the pick, wrap the tape to the end. Twist the tape up at an angle at the very bottom of the wire, creating a beautiful finished look. Wrap the floral tape up the wire 1 to 2 inches, and then you're finished. Now you have a beautiful addition to your bouquet. Next, we will show you how to make a standard feather stem with 5 feathers. This method creates a branching effect that you can move and shape to fit in your centerpiece. First, designate your best looking feather for the main stem. This is what all the branches will come off of. Next, trim the wire for your branches. They can be in half or smaller pieces. Wrap a few inches of floral tape around each feather branch, and you don't have to wrap to the end. Now that all the branches are ready, begin wrapping them to the main stem. Leave at least 2 to 3 inches of the branch free before wrapping it to the main stem. This is what gives them the distance to bend and create a shaping effect. Add a branch every few inches down the stem as you continuously wrap until the end. When reaching the bottom of the stem, angle up and wrap back up the stem several inches. Now for the fun part, shaping your stem and branches. You can really move and shape these around for what works for you and your centerpiece. They have the ability to be shaped and reshaped, so you can do a lot of trial and error. You can also optionally curl the swords by using the blunt edge of scissors, just how ribbon works. This will round them down and add a softness to your design. This technique will be used again and again when making feather picks and stems. Now that you know how to do it, you can create any variation of feathers, like this gorgeous 6-feather natural stem made from pheasant and turkey feathers. We have curated this combo for the very best of feather patterns in natural colors, and it uses the same technique of the stem and branch method. Here we have a pick size and a stem size. As you can see, the size difference of the pick versus stem really brings a wide range of design and decor possibilities. Next, we will show you how to make a stem and pick using Ostrich and Chandelle. Ostrich hairs gently frame any floral arrangement, and the added Chandelle adds a fluffy cloud base to the piece, giving a very soft and unique look. To create this stem, you will need 2 ostrich plumes and a Chandelle Boa in the same color scheme. First, cut approximately 4 inches of the Chandelle Boa. Then, find the cord in the middle of the boa, holding the feathers up and away from the cord. Run a line of hot glue onto the cord. Surround the ostrich quill with the Chandelle piece, about 1 to 2 inches up from the quill. If there is not a bare quill on your ostrich plume, gently pull an inch or 2 of the ostrich hairs down the quill. They will strip easily and come off in one piece. Next, wrap the tape and wire to the quill. Wrap several inches down, depending on how much room you want in between each branch. Create your second piece in the same method, using a smaller piece of floral wire. This will give much flexibility and room to create shapes within the stem. To do this for a bouquet, it is the same method, but for one individual feather pick. Choose your plume size depending on your bouquet. Next, we are creating a flower from feathers with strung coquille and peacock flue. The peacock flue can be loose, stripped from peacock feathers, or you can use strung material, which means it's sewn together, creating a fringe. We are using loose stripped peacock flue, or approximately 50 pieces of flue. Grab the flue, trim the bottom, and add hot glue. Next, place the floral wire in the center of the flue as best as you can. Add more glue in small amounts. Wrap with floral tape. Next, run a line of hot glue on the threaded section of coquille. Wrap around the flue, wire, and itself. Cover and wrap with floral tape all the way down the pick. Lastly, use the blunt edge of your scissors and curl the peacock flue. Now you have a beautiful forever flower. Next, this is the same method as the coquille flower, except with strung biot feathers. Biots are a type of goose feather that has been cut. They hold structure very well and look similar to dried grasses. For this feather flower, you will need less than 2 inches of strung biot, just enough to wrap around the flue with not much overlap, as it will be too bulky. We decided to curl the flue first before adding the strung biot, as biot will get in the way. Next, we glue the strung biot along the threaded line and wrap around the flue. Then, wrap to cover up the base and continue onto the end of the pick. And there you have it. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and can't wait to see what you come up with. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more feather tutorials like this.